Planning a field trip lunch can be a challenge, right? We've all been there. The pressure to pack something nutritious yet appealing can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through this. It doesn't have to be a struggle. With a bit of planning and creativity, you can make lunch prep a breeze. Imagine a morning where everything falls into place effortlessly. We'll share some easy and delicious lunch ideas. Think colorful sandwiches, fresh fruits, and a variety of snacks that are both healthy and tasty. These ideas are sure to keep your kids excited about their meals. Your kids will love these. Picture their faces lighting up when they open their lunch boxes to find their favorite treats. It's all about making lunchtime fun and enjoyable. Let's make lunchtime a field trip highlight. Imagine the joy of kids sitting together, sharing their meals and creating memories. A well-packed lunch can turn an ordinary day into something special. Packing a healthy lunch is important. It's not just about filling their tummies, but also about providing the right nutrients. Fresh fruits, crunchy vegetables, and wholesome grains can make a big difference. It gives kids energy for the day. A balanced meal can keep them active and ready to take on any adventure. Watch them play energetically and enjoy their time to the fullest. It also helps them focus and learn. Good nutrition is key to maintaining concentration and staying engaged in activities. A well-fed child is a happy and attentive learner. Let's make sure they have the fuel they need. By packing thoughtful and nutritious lunches, we can ensure our kids are ready for anything the day throws at them. Let's make every bite count. Sandwiches are a field trip classic, but let's get creative. Instead of plain cheese, try hummus and cucumber. Add some sliced bell peppers for extra crunch. Use cookie cutters for fun shapes. Another idea, mini pita bread pizzas. Just add sauce, cheese, and their favorite toppings. Pop them in the oven for a few minutes. Wraps are another great option for a quick and nutritious meal. They are versatile and can be customized to suit everyone's taste. Use whole wheat tortillas for extra fiber and added nutrients. Whole wheat tortillas are a healthier alternative to regular ones, providing more vitamins and minerals. Fill them with lean protein like turkey or chicken. Lean proteins are essential for muscle growth and repair, making your wrap not only delicious but also beneficial for your health. Add some fresh veggies like lettuce, tomatoes and cucumbers for a crunch, and a light spread like hummus or avocado for extra flavor. These additions not only enhance the taste, but also boost the nutritional value of your wrap. Salads can be fun too. Pack ingredients separately to keep them fresh and crisp. This way, everyone can mix and match their favorite ingredients. Let kids assemble their own salads. This not only makes the meal more interactive, but also encourages them to eat more vegetables. Provide a small container for dressing. This allows everyone to add just the right amount of dressing to their salad, keeping it healthy and tasty. Fruit skewers are a great addition to any meal. They are colorful, fun to eat, and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They are easy to eat on the go, making them perfect for picnics, school lunches, or any outdoor activity. Plus, they are a great way to get kids to eat more fruit. Nobody wants a soggy sandwich. Pack a small ice pack. This will keep everything cool and fresh. Use reusable containers for easy packing and less waste. Cut sandwiches and wraps into halves or quarters. This makes them easier to eat. Pack napkins and wet wipes for sticky fingers. A well-packed lunch bag is key to ensuring a smooth and enjoyable outing. It not only keeps your food fresh, but also helps you stay organized throughout the day. Choose a sturdy and insulated bag to maintain the temperature of your food. This is especially important for perishable items that need to stay cool or warm. Use separate containers for different food items to prevent cross-contamination and keep everything fresh. This also makes it easier to find what you need quickly. Pack a small trash bag for easy cleanup. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle later. And don't forget the drinks. Hydration is crucial. Water is always the best choice for staying hydrated. It's refreshing and doesn't contain any added sugars or calories. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks can lead to sugar crashes, making you feel tired and sluggish. Stick to water or natural fruit juices for a healthier option. With these smart strategies, you're now ready for a fun and stress-free field trip. Enjoy your time knowing that you have everything you need for a great day out.